Now, for ating pros and cons na, for quick summary na lang nito. After 4 years talagang ang Geely Okavango natin still turn heads talaga nito. Yung paint quality nito really held up well. May mga minimal fading lang naman to after being exposed to some varying weather condition, but that's negligible. The build quality talaga is proven to be really solid, 'di ba? May mga nakikita kayong mga post diyan kung tawagin ng iba namin sa group nito is talagang tank build. Now, there are some few areas na nagpapakita na ng mga wear and tear dito, katulad ng mga creaking sound sa dashboard. Meron mga minor scratches na ako dito sa aking mga door, sa mga side mirrors ko, mga tinatamaan na yan. Nagfe-fade na rin yung ating mga chrome accents, and then may mga occasional scratches and bumps from the so-called kamote, but these are more of battle scars na lang and daily use, no? So marami na rin tayong scratches pati sa mga mugs natin. Now, for my pros talaga dito, after 4 years talaga, still great value for money. Talagang yung pakinabang ko talaga dito, spacious and comfortable, and still it is a quiet ride. Now, for the cons nito, honestly talaga yung fuel efficiency nito, especially for city driving, lalo na on heavy traffic, yung medium to heavy talaga, kukonsumo ka talaga ng gas nito. And one of the cons talaga nito pa rin sa ngayon, hanggat di pa nila naayos, is yung limited aftermarket parts. But overall, for me, it's still a smart buy.